Hey, I'm Scott Young, and here I'm way out in the country at 10838 Christiana-Fosterville Road. Even though it's practically Christiana, this is a bell buckle address. So it's 10838 Bell Buckle, Tennessee. About 10 miles south of Murfreesboro down Highway 231 toward Shelbyville. It is Rutherford County, so it's zoned for Riverdale High School, Christiana Middle, and Christiana Elementary School. This house is a 2,500 square foot, 4-bedroom, 3-bath on 5 acres. This is a work in progress #1 video. We just took possession of it today, so you're seeing it in the raw state. It's not in bad shape. Probably needs a paint job, but it's clean, it's big, and this will generally give you an idea of the floor layout. Walking into the living room, has laminate floors throughout. Big living room. This is probably an 18 by 18 living room. I'm just guessing, but it's a big living room. Directly behind that is a big kitchen, stainless steel stove, microwave, black refrigerator, lots of cabinet space, big island, more cabinet space on this side. Going into what I guess is the dining room, has a fireplace. Going out the back, they haven't finished cleaning it up yet. Has a brand new central heat and air unit. Most of your acreage is behind it. You have a little gazebo where I'm standing in now. Oh, like I said, you're out in the country. This chicken got in here. Get out, chicken. Get out. Get out, chicken. Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. Get out, get out, get out, get out. Okay. You are out in the country. Again, nice laminate floors. Walking back, bedroom 1. Has big double closet. Has a full bath. Across the hall is bedroom number 2. Back through the living room or dining room, whatever it is. Got this big picture window. Again, directly opposite that is the fireplace. In the corner, bedroom number 3. Also a big room. Next to that is your laundry area. Another full bath. You have another door that goes out to the side of the house. Walking back through, going to the master bedroom. Big, big, big master bedroom. Walking back toward the bathroom, of course we don't have power. We have a his and her closet, one on either side. That's his. That's hers. And then you won't be able to see, but this is a big master bathroom. Has double vanity, a jacuzzi tub, another vanity, your toilet area, and you can't see it, but that's the shower. So this is very quick and dirty. Work in progress video #1 for 10838 Bell Buckle, Tennessee. My name is Scott Young. My phone number is 615-578-6125. You can go there, you can go to my website, which is scotttrentoown.com, see more pictures. Thank you. Appreciate doing business with you.